Hi, friends. Welcome back to Quick Tips for Circle Communities. I'm Rachel Starr, host of Your Community Strategist podcast and the founder of The Co-op, a space designed to help course creators, summit hosts, and podcasters build thriving, impactful communities while staying true to their vision and values. This week, I want to showcase how I get that distraction free, professional look for my resource library that many of you have been asking about. It's actually super simple. I create a post space in CardView. If you're not familiar with setting up a post space in CardView, check out last week's video where I walk you through the basics. I'll link that in the description, or you can find it here. So here's the secret sauce to getting that clean, distraction-free look. Let's head over to community and I'll show you just how. Once inside your community, you can create a post in a space that you've already set up as a post space in CardView. From there, you'll make the following adjustments to that post. By clicking the gear shift, you'll open up the settings of that post. Hide the meta info, hide comments, and hide likes. By toggling those three items on, you'll get that clean, professional look. That's it. These three simple settings remove all the extra information that can make a resource page look cluttered or overwhelming to your members. Now they can focus solely on the content and resources you're providing. What I love about this approach is that it creates a professional, almost website-like experience right inside your community. Your members get a clean, organized view of all your valuable resources without those extra elements that might distract them in that particular space. And if you want to take your resource library to the next level, I've created a free Notion template, your guide to building a seamless community resource hub. This ready to use template includes organizational tips, best practices, and a complete structure for creating a resource library your members will actually use. You'll find the link to that template in the show notes below. It's completely free to download and start using today. Let me know in the comments if you implemented this in your community and what other quick tips you'd like to see. See you next week with another community building strategy that takes just minutes to implement but makes a big impact. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in the know for our weekly quick tip videos. Bye, friends.